हाउ टू कन्वर्ट JPG टू PDF। इमेज से हम PDF कैसे बनाएं देखते हैं। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल select your image. I have this 5 image 1 2 3 4 and 5. You can see the image has written in 1 2 3 4 and 5 number. So I want to click make this image are a PDF. So in this video description box, go here there and click on the given link, so you can get this website page. And you can also search in the PC and mobile I love PDF, so you can get this page. Then click on select JPG image and then select the image which you want to make a PDF. So I select that this image, then click on open. You can organize this PDF page left and right, up down. You can also move the page. Okay, so I move this page into 1 2 3 and 4 5. So this is, and you can choose your rotation like portrait and landscape. So I choose portrait, and you can also click on this page size. So you can choose page size which if you want to choose landscape, then select the page this, and if you want to portrait, then click on A4 size. And next, margin. If you want to leave the margin, then click on a small and click on big. If you want to not margin, so click on no margin, and you click on this convert to PDF. So click on this and you can see PDF make, and the file is download automatically. If not started, then click on it. The PDF is downloaded automatically. So I have clicked on it, and you can see the PDF is opened and the page number 5, and you can see 1 2 3 4 and 5 PDF has been made. So this is the method of making JPG to converting JPG to PDF, and this method is super easily, and this is absolutely free. So try this method. Thanks for watching this video, and also subscribe the button and press the hit like button, and don't forget to like, share and comments. If any question, then write in the comment box. Yeah, I try to give your questions answer.